Guys, this car looks so much better. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My boy Eric. As you guys read by the title of the video, the Q50 will be getting some new wheels today. Kind of. Is it considered getting new wheels?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, the Q50 is getting new wheels. You guys might ask yourself, dude, last video you're trying to sell this car, etc. I am trying to sell it, don't get me wrong, but I was thinking the other night, selling the Q50 is all I've been thinking about in the past couple of days, past couple of weeks actually. Then I forgot about this car. Like, I don't even care to build the motor. Like, it's just been sitting here, so I was like, you know what? Let me redirect my attention to this car so I can get this car back out as soon as possible. If that means I have to keep the Q50 for like another month or two, it's cool. But my main priority now is this car. I need to get this car back. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and put some new wheels on the Q. Let's get started. It's currently super hot outside, so we're thinking about pushing this car out a little bit so we can work in the back over there, inside the garage, and not in the blazing sun. Oh, that pump is so dying, bro. I think the battery more than anything. One right there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You go to the gym, right?
We go to the gym.
Should be able to freaking push it back. Alright guys, I think this worked out a lot better than I anticipated. There's plenty of space. Why don't you turn on? If you turned on, this would have made our job a lot easier. Can I jack the car up really quick? That dip is far. I'm used to the Z's dipping like right here. Damn, it's just super far. Is it off the floor?
Yeah. Good enough.
I take the wheel off. Alright guys, wheel is out. Tires aren't that bad, as I thought they were actually. No, it's not that bad. Alright, now let's go get the new tires, or the new wheels, I'm sorry.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, I traveled the whole other room to get these new wheels. I've actually been wanting to put my Nismos, you hear my dog? I wanted to put my Nismos on the Q forever. I'm just a little scared. I'm not too sure if this tire's gonna fit. They're 285s. I don't think they're gonna fit if I'm being honest. But I thought, why not try it before I go buy some new tires, you know? I have OCD, guys. Whenever I put a wheel on, it has to be like perfect. Like the Nismo type of things. Oh,
perfect.
I think it does fit, dude. No way. No way that fits. I'm gonna say, I was about to buy some tires today too.
Sheesh.
That looks sick. No way that's gonna fit. There's no way.
The setup is gonna be way better than that.
Way better, 100 RPM. It's gonna make me want to keep it longer. Watch, bro. The best part of these wheels is that you can see the big brakes, like a lot. Hey, for once you're not doing anything.
I know.
I always have him help me. Like, for once he's just my cameraman. What do you guys think? Should I give Eric a job, being my cameraman? All right, guys. Second RPF1 is off the car. Good thing I took them off. This tire is actually pretty bad. Yep, wire boys. Oh wait, copyright. Alright guys, trying to drop it. Woo!
Sheesh.
Oh, that's gonna. Oh, is that gonna work? No, yeah, it should work. It should work. Oh yeah, that would definitely work. Oh yes, sir. New wheels for the Q. Oh, yeah, that's gonna work. Oh my god, this car looks freaking amazing. It's no longer for sale. Just kidding. It might still be, but I'll probably keep it a little longer. Oh my god, bro, this car looks amazing. First impression.
Damn, it looks sick, dude. This side looks way better.
This car literally looks insane. What do you guys think? RPF ones or the 57s? I'm going with 57s all day, bro. Oh my gosh. Wow.
What's up, motherfuckers?
My dad's talking to us. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, bitch?
I got new wheels for the Q.
Shut the f.
For real. So I don't think my dad approves of the wheels. All right, guys. Now we're gonna take off the fronts off the Z and put them on the Q50. Some of you guys might be wondering what's gonna happen to the Z. The RPS ones are going on the Z. It's funny because these were gonna be my first wheels ever on the Z. I even went to go try to buy them, but the deal didn't go through. And it's funny that now, like so many years later, RPS ones are gonna go on the Z. Even though it's gonna be parked, but like still, it's kind of funny. I don't know. Oh hell no, I'm not sitting down, bro.
The floor's hot.
Bro, it's hot. I'm telling you guys, I have OCD, bro. It has to be like perfect.
Sheesh.
Looks weird.
How does that look?
This looks so weird to me, bro. Yeah, it looks pretty. It looks kind of ugly. Like, don't get me wrong, I love RPF ones, but for my Z, I just can't. But it's gonna be sitting, so it doesn't really matter. All right, guys, the other side is on. It looks so weird to me, bro. You know what it reminds me of, Eric? What? Chris's car.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead. Let me call this dude to see if he answers. Hey, what are you doing? You want to see my new wheels on the Z?
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Motherfucker, you just switched them.
No, those are new. I bought these from Crazy 33.
How long shit or what?
Dude, they remind me so much of your car.
Let me see. Let me see the whole thing.
Like what, like the whole car?
Right now?
Huh?
You just did the fronts right now?
Yeah, well the rears are on the Q already. You want to see them?
Let me see. Oh yeah, that looks sick.
Thank you.
Meaty right there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You guys have been in such a hurry that I forgot to record it when I dropped it, but sheesh, one side is done. Dude, that looks really freaking good.
Look how sweaty.
I'm super sweaty, bro. Alright, guys. Go ahead and drop the last one. So tired. I need to invest in a gun, guys. And an impact gun, not an actual gun. Guys, this car looks so much better. That's crazy. Crazy what some wheels could do to this car. Damn. Alright guys, see if I can push it myself. You know what? This is probably a stupid idea because I think it's gonna roll
Yeah.
the moment that I lift it. Let's go ahead and put the camera on the floor. Ready? Get in the car. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Perfect. Bro, ain't no way I sweated this much. Little problem, guys. So it is kind of rubbing a little bit in the rear. I made up my boy Drew, see if he could pull them just a little bit. I feel like with the slight pull it'll be perfect. So I won't have to buy new tires because these tires are literally brand new, bro. All right guys, it is now a few hours later. We made it to this barbershop where the homie Eric actually cuts. He's gonna bless me up. Yeah, that Genesis is difficult. Ready to bless me or what?
Yes, sir.
Before so yeah, if you guys need a haircut, and our local to San Bernardino, my boy Eric will take care of you. That is right here. And all of his other stuff is gonna be in the description below. Really cheap pricing too.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, first actual drive with the new wheels, or kind of the new wheels I guess. I'm gonna have my boy Eric follow me. We're going to the gym, so I'm kind of scared guys, I'm not gonna lie. Cause it was rubbing a little bit. It was rubbing a little bit, so I hope it doesn't rub too bad. Alright guys, made it to the gym. I'm not gonna lie, it was rubbing a little bit, but nothing too alarming I guess. The fender is still okay, or the quarter panel if you want to be exact. It's still okay, so I mean, I'll probably just drive it. Meanwhile, I find some 265s. But other than that, shit looks really good, bro. Alright guys, now a couple hours later, I'm at the gym. Honestly, I think we're good. It does rub a little bit, like on little dips, but it's only a little bit. It's nothing too concerning. So right now when we get home, I'm gonna check the tires, and if they're not like ate up, which I don't think so, we should be fine. I think I'm gonna just leave these for a little while until I find some decently priced rears. Currently 1 in the morning, and I'm about to wash the car. Call me crazy, but I was sitting inside right now. I'm super tired, but I was thinking I'd rather wash it really quick right now that it's not hot, instead of washing it tomorrow morning when it's like 90 degrees. So I know most of you guys are probably thinking I'm crazy, but I'd rather get it over with, because tomorrow I want to drive it all day. Just like that guys, in what, like 20-30 minutes, car's fully cleaned. This looks so good. You can't really see it, but in person it looks so good. Yeah, no regrets. Good thing I washed it right now instead of washing it tomorrow in like 95-degree weather. Just like that, car's put away next to this dusty beast, RPF1, sitting right behind the Z. Dude, the Z looks so funny on RPF1s to me. I don't know why, it just looks funny. But with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys all like how the Q is looking. Like I said, I still do kind of want to sell it, but this definitely did slow me down. Like I'm not in such a hurry to get rid of it anymore. But like I said, if I get an offer that I like, or if I find a dealer that pretty much gives me a good offer, then it's gonna go. But as of right now, I'm enjoying the car. It looks very, very good, so I'm not in no hurry. That being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.